Hello my friends, we are starting a new series today, and the first thing that I want to show off to you is this beautiful kit that I'm going to use. This is my design team project for June for a trace of sparkle. I will have Jenifer's information listed in my description box. She does a very shabby chic style on her digital kits, and they are absolutely gorgeous. So if you're into shabby chic, make sure to go check her out. So this is, as I mentioned, this is going to be my project for her for June, and so I wanted to share the kit with you before I get started. Now you can see I printed it out a little bit smaller. Kind of in the mood to do some mini, this one's not going to be a mini journal, but it's definitely not going to be a large journal. So we'll call it a small journal. And I just think it's going to be beautiful. So that's the kit. Let me make sure there was no double-sided. I think I printed these out on the back of scrapbook paper. Let's take a quick peek. It does look like that's what I did. So I will, and then for the ephemera, I just printed it out on bright white cardstock, and all this is a nice heavyweight cardstock. Now, the second thing about this that I wanted to share with you, you guys know I've been working on the journals from the suggestions that you guys had sent. So a couple of you had requested a Maggie Holmes journal. So I thought when we look at this kit, the Garden Party paper pack, it just, I think, goes really nicely with this digital kit. I'm going to call this series Garden Party, but take a look real quick. Look at this. Look how this is going to go together. It's going to be so fun and so beautiful. So I'm super excited about incorporating this along with the digital that I'm going to work with this month. It's going to be so nice. Now, true confession, this is the first and only thing I have ever purchased that was Maggie Holmes, believe it or not. So I'm looking forward to working with it. My friends that had requested the Maggie Holmes, one of them was Lene with Fashionably 50-something and Beyond, and Sundown's Crafty Adventures also sent me some goodies to use. This is going to be our series, and again, I'm going to call it Garden Party because why not, right? You guys know that I don't like plain white paper in my journals, so I am going to go ahead and do some stamping. Is that what we're going to call this? Stenciling, sorry. We're going to do some stenciling on the back side of the Maggie Holmes scrapbook paper. That way, whether I use these for tags, pockets, paper flip things, whatever I use them for, they're ready to go. They've got something on them. I did like a 4-step process. I put down a base, so it would be like this, or the big floral type one. Then I went back and I put on some either greenery or some flowers. Then I went back and I put either dragonflies or butterflies. And I used black for those because I really wanted an intense impact. I wanted them to show up. I didn't want them to blend in. So that's why I chose to do that. So what I'm doing is I'm showing you some of the process, but then I'm splicing in some of the end product as it's sitting on a page inside the journal. Some of these did end up as pages, but some of them actually did end up as tags as well. I'm not showing you the tags in today's video, but I'll definitely show them to you in the flip through. Standing alone, I think they look okay. But actually being in the journal with a pocket on it, with a tag stuffed inside or something like that, I think they look really good. The last thing that I did when I was working on them was I went around them with my gold gilding paste. I think I used some on all of them, mostly just went around the edges or into the corners with the gold. Friends, I hope you were able to craft along with me. Thanks for watching. See you soon.